I'm going to show you guys how to make an isometric drawing using the online isometric drawing tool. The first thing you'll need to do is open up Google Chrome and then head to our Canvas page. After that, click on the Design and Modeling section and then click Modules. Once you're in the Modules list, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you'll find Week 11. Click on Wednesday. And once you read through this, it tells you that if you prefer to do this using your MacBook, you can click here for the website, and then directions are later on. So you click here, and it takes you to the website that you can use to do isometric drawings. Now this website's just a little bit tricky because it looks like you can use this entire section that's darkened, but you really can't. If I go to click a line, first off you'll pick a color. I don't care what color you pick, any color you want. If you hover over the dot, if it turns black like these, then it means you can use it. But if it turns red like these, then it means you can't use those. So you have to do some planning because as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 dots here cannot be used on the top. Over here on the side, it's just these first 5, and then you can use that one, and then the bottom 5 you can't use. Same with down here. You can't use these bottom 5 dots, but you can use this section in here. Alright, so it's kind of a smaller area. I don't know why they designed it that way. It's a little bit frustrating, but we can make it work. Now, since you have a small area to use here, you do not want to use 2 dots per block like you've been doing before. You'll just have to use 1 set of dots per block. You've got 2 choices here. You can build using the line tool or you can build using the cube tool. It doesn't matter to me which one you decide to use as long as you pick the right one. So I'm going to go ahead, let's say my shape looks like a capital L. So I'm going to make a capital L. Alright, so I'm going to start up here and we're going to go right here. I'm going to come down one so that way I can do my top view. So all you do is click on the dot, move your cursor over, click on the other dot, and that's how you can make a line. Click on the dot, click on the next dot. Notice you have to click on the dot you want to start, and then you have to click on the dot you want to stop on each time. It will not just continue drawing. You have to click the starting point each time. So let's say this comes down 3 cubes here, 3 there, and 4 here, and then it comes out 2, 2, 3. Oop. Alright, so put a line where I didn't want it. So if that happens, you just click the erase tool and then click the line that you want to erase. Go back to clicking the line tool and then it will put it, you can put the rest of the lines in. Now obviously you wouldn't make this shape unless that was the shape of your block. Alright, pretty simple. Again, if you make a mistake, click the eraser, click the line segment that you don't want, and it will get rid of it. When you're done with the one with the shape, take a screenshot, turn your screenshot into the Canvas page. Now if you want to use the cube tool, you can just click the cube, again any color you want. If it's dark, dark blue, then you're good. If it turns red, then you cannot build there. So you can just go cube. Nope, that went in front. Apparently going down does not work very well on this one. I'm not figuring out how to do it. So I'm going to go back to the cube tool. but you're going to have to work from the bottom and go up, it looks like. So I would stack 3 of them up like that, and you could make, oh, that went in the wrong spot. Oh, I see. If I hover this arrow up, it's going to put it behind that cube. But if I bring my arrow down a little bit, then that bottom part turns solid and it's going to go on top. Alright, well I just learned something while making this video. So if I bring my arrow down just a little bit, it'll put it on top like that. So back to how I was doing it before. If I click the cube tool, put the cube in there, yeah, it does not appear to work going up very well. Man, I'll tell you what, using the cube tool is kind of frustrating. Now I can't get it to work going down. Well, anyways, you're welcome to try and use the cube tool, although as you can see, I found that a lot more frustrating than using the line tool. But either way, it doesn't matter if you want to use the cube tool or the line tool, but you need to make a picture of your puzzle piece, take a screenshot of it, and then you're going to do this 6 different times and turn all 6 screenshots into the assignment on Canvas.